Hey everyone, did you know linear regression is used everywhere, from predicting stock prices to analyzing scientific data? It's a key player in data analysis, and today I'll show you how easy it is to crack the code in Excel. Alright, so what is linear regression? Simply put, it's a way to find the relationship between two variables. And guess what? Excel makes this super simple. But here's the thing. Many people get stuck. Whether it's the formulas, the graphs, or just where to start, it can be confusing. I've been there. But with Excel, we can break it down step by step. First, let's input our data. You'll need two columns, one for your independent variable and one for your dependent variable. Select your data and insert a scatter plot. Easy so far, right? Next, click on the scatter plot to bring up the Chart Elements menu. Check the trend line and then More options. Here, choose Linear and make sure to display the equation on the chart. Boom, there's your linear regression equation. Now let's take a moment to appreciate this. This equation helps you predict values, understand trends, and make informed decisions. Imagine applying this to your next project or report. Powerful, isn't it? To recap, we input our data, created a scatter plot, added a trend line, and revealed the linear regression equation. Understanding this process is crucial for any data analyst. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. And check out my next video where I dive into advanced Excel functions. See you there.